So today I'm going to show you how to create Google Meet links. How do you go about it? This is the Google Meet here. This is it here. So if you do not have a Google Meet already installed or your phone, either Android, either your apps, your iPhone or your laptop, what you need to do is go to your Play Store or you go to your App Store, search Google Meet, and you're able to download and install it. So I get straight to the point now. I'm going to open my Meet now. Once you open your Meet, just set it up. After that, it's going to take you directly here. So now you need to click on new meeting. Is it a scheduled meeting? Maybe you want to schedule the meeting for next week or maybe not today, or you want to make it a group call. Now what you need to do is click on your create link. Use this link to invite people to the call. If you do not invite them, they will not be able to join the meeting, so make sure you use it. So when you click here, you can see this arrow is your copy. You have copied the link. Now you can go to you can share directly from here. And you can, once you have copied it, you can also go to directly to the person, maybe a direct message on your WhatsApp. For example, now the link that I copied, now I want to share it to someone on my WhatsApp. I'll just go to my WhatsApp. Sorry guys, I'll just go to my WhatsApp. Once I go to my WhatsApp, now I'm going to find a person I want to invite to the meeting. So what you need to do is get the person, and on the message just long press. For a laptop, you just right click on paste, then click on send, and this is it. The person is going to, once the person click on it, it's going to take them directly to the meeting. It's very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, share, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in my next video.